question is this: how do I scroll my Google contacts when I'm sending an email so I can find the people that I want to send the email message to? Let me show you what this person is asking, and then I'll show you some ideas of how you can do this. So if I go to Compose, I'm going to make the box bigger. Hit this little icon right there, full screen. So now you can see the whole thing. And right here is the 2 items. So I can start typing if I want to. Hit a T and I can start typing. Or I can click on TO and it brings up select contacts. So I can search in my contacts here, just like I could up here when I was typing a letter. Or I can scroll through this, however long it is. I can scroll through it. And additionally, I can go to my contacts and I can select from the groupings that I might have in my Google contacts. All my friends, there's my friends. I can go up here and select, all contacts or test group. And there's a test group that I created. And I can find all the people that I want to find from either scrolling through the list or choosing based on the labels or groups that I created in my list. And then I can select all and I can hit insert and insert all those email addresses in there just by, again, going back to the to box or the BCC or the CC box right there. Any one of those is going to bring me the contacts window where, again, I can scroll, I can search, or I can look for groups that I labeled specific contacts in. Find all the people I want, hit insert, and get back to creating the email message. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail guy. I hope this is helpful for you.